Morning. It's around 7:15 or 7:13. Let's do a cold start on the Tundra. Yeah, she sounds pretty good when I first started her up. Well, I'm getting ready to head to the yard and pick up my truck and trailer and head north to Altamont, Kansas. Pick up a 455 John Deere drill and then I think a little 1590 no-till or something. Look how pretty the pond is behind me back here. Yeah, there's smoke coming off, fog coming off of it. It's really foggy earlier. And you got the little moon still perched up here. That Artemis 2 just went up and circled around and got a picture of us. But stay tuned, headed to the yard. Just want to tell everybody good morning and have a great day.
And you can't pay it off everybody.
Ooh, look at that beautiful sunrise. Well, it's 7:39. Trailer's all hooked up here. These booms, I don't like them being out. I might shove them in my, they're supposed to fit in this deal right here. That's where they're supposed to go with all my other booms and chains. But yeah, I'm in the flatbed today. Everybody else is out on runs, so yeah, we'll see if this little booger bucks like the rest of them. But stay tuned, we're gonna get on the road here. Okay, we're headed out. See the trailer back there through the rear view. Yeah, we got all kinds of farm equipment here. Going to get more. We got a sale coming up. Got a little deal there. I gotta stop down here. I'm gonna be getting something like this right down here. I'll show you. Yeah, I gotta go pick something up like this. This is a triple seater. It's got one on the back here. The one I'm picking up don't have one. It's just got these sides that fold out. But I gotta lower this walk board here. I gotta come in and pull all these screws here out. So yeah. Okay, they're about probably 5/8. Yeah, I gotta pull both sides here off that one, but okay, stay tuned, we're headed out. Okay, I got it drawn up here now. This is where we're headed, Circle E. 2 hours and 51 minutes. Way up here by Coffeeville. But yeah, about to get on the road. I was here refueling. Well, I'm already at 160. But getting ready to get on the road here in a minute. Stay tuned. Altamont, Kansas. Okay, we made it over into Kansas. Maybe 2 or 3 miles into Kansas here. I didn't have my camera ready when we crossed the state line, but yeah, look, this oversized load in front of us. That's how we're gonna look coming back, line to line. Stay tuned. Coming through some construction crap here. These big, nice fields here. We're in Kansas. Yeah, there's hundreds of acres of green fields everywhere up here. Yeah, they run 50, 60 foot implements out here on this stuff. It shows we're about 45 minutes, 50 minutes out, wherever it went. There's one of their John Deere dealerships here, Prairie Land Partners. Look at this nice belted track. That's a quad track there. That's nice. Nice. $500,000 tractor. Okay, made it to 160 here. Headed east. Says I'm about 37 minutes out. Yeah. But stay tuned. Be there here in a minute, Circle E. Okay, we're coming in through Independence, Kansas. I got these pretty murals painted on the walls down through here. Yeah, it's a nice little town. Right there. Look at those giant grain bins. Wow. We're about 16 miles away. We're about there. Okay, rolling here, Circle E. Let's go, we run in here and see what we, where we're going here, find an office. Stay tuned. Look at all this equipment out here. Okay, we're hooked up to the 1590. We'll try to get it on here, hopefully safely, and get it on the truck here. Yeah, it's gonna be a tricky move. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes for sure. That's looking pretty good, dude. Okay, got her pushed on here. Just getting all my chains and everything here laid out where I'm gonna need them. He's going over and picked up that 455. We'll shove her up on here, I hope. Stay tuned. O'Brien Ventures Outdoors Hot Shot Service, transport service. Okay, trying to get this thing centered up where these wheels here are looking good down through here. Okay, got it all boomed down here, as you can see. It's all running across that, yeah. Front's sucking forward and the back's sucking backwards. But yeah, thinking about throwing one more on this one. I gotta come in here now, take all these bolts out of the bottom right here and try to fold this step down. Yeah, I'm 4 foot over my belly. Stay tuned. Got my paperwork here where I had to come and what I had to come and pick up. Okay, got her all loaded down. I couldn't get the closing wheels to lower, so yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. I got it marked off though, and everything's strapped down, so let's see how far we can get. Okay, we're back in Oklahoma here. Just come through Caney, Kansas, and then dropped across the state line. Look how much is hanging over back there. Yeah, I gotta ride this white line over here just so semis can get by. What a load today. It's hanging over like 4 foot on each side. I'll get video later. Okay, let's just come through Pawhuska up there, back north. Good. Yeah, boss is gonna be mad. I punched a hole in this. I didn't set this peel down before I punched a hole through there. Yeah. But yeah, look at the overhang on this bugger here. Like 4 or 5 feet on each side. We're about home though. We're on 99 headed southbound toward Craig. Stay tuned. We're here in Wyona, Oklahoma. W-Y-N-O-N-A. roll. Okay, made her back at 1809. Yeah, got everything here. Yeah, it's all sucked down. Other than that stupid deal there that busted through. But okay, getting ready to head her to the house. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors.